Invert the electric bike. Use an Allen wrench. Loosen the screw. Loosen the screw on the other side. Remove the controller. Disconnect all the terminals. Loosen the screws of the cable cover. Use needle nose pliers to remove the adhesive. Use a wrench to assist in removing the charging port. Deflate the rear tire. Take out the battery. Install the new battery into the battery compartment. Press the battery with your hand, aligning the screw holes. Tighten the screws of cable cover. Install the charging port properly. First put on the small washer, then put on the large one. Tighten the washer. Reconnect the terminals to the controller. These two don't need to be connected. Reinstall the controller. Reinstall the cover. Tighten the screws.